Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's the 21st of June, 2023. We're here to talk about Virgin Galactic today, or space stock, because this stock is on fire. Now, I haven't touched this stock ever since October 24th, 2022. I didn't even do a price prediction in the market in space because I was like, look, there's nothing here for us into the market in space. We're going to continue to expect price in space to go down. But now things has changed, and we're going to talk about that today, and hopefully we can possibly put on a price prediction looking for this market in space to continue to go higher. So let's go ahead and get this video started. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take this downtrend line because the market in space currently is not following that trend, and we're going to follow what we have in the market in space in terms of a trend. Okay, so you guys can tell here on the 5-day chart that the market in space came all the way down to $3 and like 25 cents and found the low. This is where the buyers currently reside. The big pool of buyers, they're down here. Okay, now I wanted to talk about the last 2 days of trading into the market in space because this is where the volume is definitely coming in. We saw it come in on the 16th, and then we saw it come in on the 20th of yesterday's trading. So when you see this much volume come in, we need to start paying attention because the market, institutional traders, banks, hedge funds, they're becoming more active in the stock. And that has been the case over the last 2 days in space, last 2 trading days. But the first time that we saw this massive influx of volume, the price in space has a wide spread bar. We started the day all the way up there around $5.72, but just to close on $4.72. So like $1 down from the price action on that one day. There was a lot of people selling in space that day. We go throughout the weekend, and then the market to yesterday, Monday, it ran right back up to where we began on the previous trading day. So this stock is this is how you can tell that a stock is bullish. Once a market comes down, but then immediately the next day it goes right back up. That tells you that there's more interest to upside than there is to the downside. Okay, let's take a look at space on the 2-day chart. And here's another indicator of strength into the market in space, a push to go up bar. This is telling us that the market wants to go higher. With this indicator on top of the volume, this kind of tells us that someone did not want to let space go down. We started the market on this 2-day price bar all the way down to 450, caught the buyers, and the buyers were able to successfully close up there at where we closed at $6.01. Cool, we like that. Okay, so we can also create a trend in space. Okay, so I'm going to take this one away since price is so far away from that $3 area. And we're going to focus on the trend. We have 9 hours and 3 minutes left on this current 3-day price bar, and it looks pretty much identical to the 2-day time frame. And we're still getting an indicator. So this market definitely is bullish in space. Now, let me put all of that on pause because yes, I am going to look for price in space to go higher, but I want us to see this area over here. Okay, this area right here is going to be impactful to the buyers. We will begin to see selling enter the market in space right there around 650. I mean, we're already around $6.14 in the pre-market. So I just want to bring that to your attention that this is going to be the first test for the buyers. They're going to have to break this to the upside in order for this market to remain bullish. So this is the area of concern. We have the buyers up here at the top at 650. I mean, the sellers up here at 650 and the buyers down here on this trend line. Ultimately, this is the playground. Okay, whichever of these lines break, that is the direction price is going to go. We already know that the current environment is bullish. So currently the idea is that the buyers, the bulls, are going to break this area to the upside. So when we do see price get rejected at 650, if we continue to see buyers hold price though on this trend line, we still know price is going to continue to go higher. Okay. So that's going to be our first target, because I definitely want us to make sure that we don't become overly greedy in the marketing space. But that 3-day time frame is definitely bullish. My second target is going to be up here. So I'm just going to create that. And then my third target is going to be all the way up here towards the highs of these 3-day price bars. Okay. So now I am done. We're going to go ahead and put this prediction on the chart, and I'll let you all go. So first we have, we're going to create our support area. So we don't want to see the market in space really fall below $5. Okay, we don't want to see that. Or preferably, we don't want to see it fall below this trend line. So either or. Okay. Now that first target, you guys can see is up here around 650. And that gives us about 8.32% move to the upside there. My second target is going to be around 750, which is 25.12%. And my third target is going to be up there around $8.30. That is 38.10% move to the upside. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and get rid of these lines up here at the top. And we're going to focus. And we're going to focus our attention on this nearest term horizontal line. Because if we don't see the price break above this area, then there's no need for us to even worry about those upper horizontal lines, which I just got rid of. Okay. So that is it. Go ahead and give me your thoughts. Let me know. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.